In this video, we will review how to submit an order on the cloud. Once you have finalized your treatment plan and are ready to place an order, select the order icon on the upper right-hand side of your screen. Note that if you have modified the case yourself, we recommend sending the case back to the USS team for final review of IPR and staging prior to placing your order. You can choose an option that best fits the need for your case. Keep in mind your refinement needs. Select Next. Selecting stages. If you click on Select All Aligners, it will leave out the retainer. Ordering the retainer will trigger the completion of a bundle. If you would like to order in sprints, you can select the first and last stage you would like to order. Select Next. Coverage and material. You can customize the aligner coverage by selecting the tooth or molar that you would like to be your terminal tooth. Molars can be further customized by selecting the amount of mesial to distal coverage. You can also choose the material for your order. Select Next. Recession fill. If you have a patient with recession or have a concern with undercuts, you can click on any tooth to highlight that tooth. Our team will then ensure that the areas surrounding that tooth have enough digital fill to avoid said undercuts. Select Next. Scan buttons. If you have previously scanned buttons, you'll want to left-click on the tooth or teeth so that our team can create a customized trim line for your aligners. Select Next. Shipping and packaging. You can select your shipping address, or if you would like to add an alternate address for this order, select Add Alternate Address for this shipment. Fill in the required fields. Select Save. Choose your delivery service, Standard, Premium, or Priority Express, and you can select your packaging type, whether that's your standard uLab packaging or your custom logo. Select Review on the lower right-hand side. This will show you a summary of your order. If a modification needs to be made, you can select Back on the lower left-hand side of your screen. If you are satisfied with your selections, select Place Order.